Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to connect AliExpress to Shopify. So to connect those two platforms, you need to install application. And the most popular one is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and install Deezers. Once it's installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers. Now go to AliExpress and browse for a product that you would like to sell. With Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live. So you can change the title, change pricing, edit description, and even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to your Shopify store and it instantly appears as a part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer's shipping address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you can never touch your inventory by yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.